Hello everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about some accidents happened in Dushanbe city in Tajikistan. Too much rain caused some car problems. The cars fallen down into the trough. They couldn't see the road and they couldn't see the troughs, of course. See the water, it's like 30 centimeters, maybe more, and it's just covering the car's wheels. And they cannot see the road, they cannot see the trough, of course. And these cars are barely getting out of this water. And the another taxi fallen down into the trough over there and cannot move. Some other cars are just staying behind him. They want to cross the road, but so barely they are just crossing. It's just more than maybe 30 centimeters because it's just see over there. The water is more than the wheels. It's just almost covering the wheels of the cars. But fortunately no one got hurt. Everyone is okay, and the accident and the situation just passed well. Some other cars want to pass by, but they cannot. They're just stuck. And some of them just getting and crossing. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to click the like and subscribe for more videos. I'm gonna shoot some other interesting situations and I'm gonna post it for you.
Japonia pretty ocean.